In this video, I'll show you how to use Zapier AI Agents. First, sign into your Zapier account and go to the Zapier dashboard. Next, look for the AI Agents section and click it to create a new agent. After that, click Create Agent and give your agent a name. Then describe what you want the agent to do. For example, you can ask it to answer customer questions, summarize emails, qualify leads, or automate business tasks. Now, follow the setup process and provide instructions for how the agent should behave and what goals it should accomplish. Next, connect the apps and tools the agent will need access to, such as Gmail, Google Drive, Slack, HubSpot, or other supported services. After that, review the available actions and permissions so the agent can perform tasks on your behalf when needed. Now, test the agent by giving it a sample request and reviewing the response or actions it performs. Next, make adjustments to the instructions if necessary to improve the results. After that, activate the agent and allow it to handle tasks automatically based on the rules and permissions you've configured. Finally, monitor the agent's activity and continue refining it as your workflow evolves. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Zapier AI Agents. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.